Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 8 quadrilateral from exercise 8.1. Question number 1 of this exercise is the angles of quadrilateral are in ratio 3:5 ratio 9 ratio 13. We are given the ratio of the angles of quadrilateral and we have to find all the angles of that quadrilateral. So let's start the question. So we will suppose the measure of all four angles B. We are given the ratio of the angles. We will convert them into quantity. So all the four angles be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. And you all know about the angle sum property of quadrilaterals, that sum of all the angles of quadrilateral are equal to 360 degree. So therefore 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360 degree, and here we will write by angle sum property of quadrilateral. So the sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degree. Adding 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x, we got 30x. Now 30x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree by 30. On cancelling, we got x is equal to 12 degree. So when x is 12 degree, then we have to find all the four angles. So four angles are, what were the four angles? 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. And we will put the value of x in each. So we get 3 into 12 degree, that is 36 degree. Then 5 into 12 degree is equal to 60 degree. Then 9 into 12 degree, that is 108 degree. And last is 13 into 12 degree is equal to 156 degree. Therefore, all four angles of quadrilateral are 36 degree, 60 degree, 108 degree and 156 degree. The sum of all these four angles will be equal to 360 degree by angle sum property of quadrilaterals. Dear students, question number 2 from exercise 8.1. The statement of the question is, if the diagonals of parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. We are given that ABCD is a parallelogram and its diagonals are equal, and we have to prove that it is a rectangle. So we will write given ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and its diagonals AC and BD are equal. Diagonals of parallelogram are equal. So we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. We have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. So how we will prove it? we will take two triangles. One triangle is triangle ABC, and second triangle we will take triangle BAD. So one triangle we will take ABC, and second triangle we will take ABD. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, in both these triangles we will make these two triangles congruent. So AB is common, side common to both the triangles. So AB is equal to AB common, and because ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. Now we are given the diagonals of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, we will write AC is equal to BD given. So by SSS congruence criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. If both the triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also equal. Therefore, angle ABC, which is angle ABC, this angle is equal to angle this, that is angle BAD. Angle ABC is equal to angle BAD by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, angle AB therefore angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Why the sum is 180 degree? We will write here co-interior angles. We know the sum of co-interior angles of parallelogram are supplementary, means their sum is equal to 180 degree. But both the angles are equal, so we can replace one for another. So I will write ABC plus ABC is equal to 180 degree. Here this is equation 1 where we have made both the angles equal. So from 1 I replaced angle BAD with angle ABC. So it becomes 2 angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 180 by 2 is 90 degree. So it means both the angles are angle ABC as well as angle BAD, both are equal to 90 degree. So we will write, therefore, a parallelogram in which one of the angle is of 90 degree is a rectangle. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle.